Here is how to export Notion as a PDF. So let's say you have a resume that you want in PDF form that you have on Notion. It's very simple. So you first go to the page that you want to export as a PDF, obviously, and then you click on the three dots on the top right. From here, you click on the export option, which is at the bottom over here. Now you just need to do a few settings. So the first one, export format, you want to click on that and make sure it says PDF. And then you can just keep everything else the same. You can change the page format to A4 if you want, or A3, depending on how you want it. The standard paper that we all use is just letters, so you just keep it as that. And if you want to change anything else, if you wanted to tweak it, and then you just click on export. Give it a second, and it should be done. Now you should have it on the whole thing as a PDF. That's it. Thanks for watching.